In this video, I am going to show you a binary trading strategy that actually works, and it is so simple to use this strategy that you will not have any stress at all. The platform that I am going to use to show you this strategy is called Pocket Option, and there are various benefits to use Pocket Option in case if you don't know. So they have this function that is called tournaments, and you can take part in this tournament day off for absolutely free every 24 hours. So you can literally practice your trading skills in this tournament and even have a chance to win the fund for absolutely free. The second benefit of Pocket Option is you can get signals in real time. You can simply click on copy signals and you will be trading in the real market with these signals. Similarly, they do have social trading. Now this is the social trading of demo account, okay, but when you are trading in real account, and at that time you can see the social trading of other people, and you can use that for your benefit by clicking on it. And if you want to create a verified account on Pocket Option, then I have created a specific video for that, okay, to create and verify Pocket Option right now from today. And I'll give the link of this video in the description of this video. Just click on it and watch this video if you want to create your Pocket Option account. Similarly, I have also given another video link in the description that is a trading strategy that no one can teach you, and you can watch this video and take your trading to the next level inside Pocket Option by making maximum number of right trades. Now, by saying that, don't just quickly skip and hover to this strategy, okay. Firstly, understand this strategy so that you can have multiple strategy in your mind while you sit on trading in Pocket Option. Before starting to trade, firstly just come to this candle, okay, select any currency pair that you want from here, okay, and then click on this candle and select this Japanese candle and this M1, okay. Similarly, you can just click on this time and select M1 at here also. Once you do this much, now you need to understand the concept of this trading strategy. It is extremely powerful strategy that can help you to make multiple right trades again and again, okay, and it will not give you any stress. You can implement this in a simple way. So now let's understand about this trading strategy. So this trading strategy is called market sentiment trading strategy. So this is the sentiment of the market. So it is 95% at here. So that means 95% of the trader, 97% of the trader want to click on lower. Similarly, 1% of the trader are looking to click on higher at this point. In simple word, that is called trading sentiment. Now, how will we use this for our benefit? Before using it for our benefit, firstly you need to go into your demo account and choose the lower percentage for 2-3 times, like as you can see 49%. So whenever and at any place the lower percentage will appear, at that time you will make this trade. So for example, it is 22% at here. Now I can simply click on higher. Now in that way, what happens, I am going with the lower percentage only, okay. Now after this trade is closed, then you will see if you could have gone wrong or right. And if you go wrong, then again next time in demo account, go again with the lower percentage. If the lower percentage is at here, then click on higher and see if that makes your trade right. And if not, then at that condition what you need to do is you need to go with higher percentage for 2-3 times in demo account. So we didn't make any profit at here, so again let's go with the lower percentage, that is this one, okay. Let's click on this. Now we can wait for this trade to close, but I will fast forward this time, that is 46 seconds, so that you don't need to keep on waiting for me or for this trade to close. So now we have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and we made a profit of 8.40 at here. So that means we can go with lower again, okay. So it is at here, okay. So let's click on here, and now let's go with lower percentage again and again and see if this trade keep on going right. And if it does, then with the same M1 setting in EuroCAD currency, you can start to trade by going with this lower percentage. So now I'll quickly forward this timing, that is 30 seconds. We don't need to wait for that much, and see the result. So now we have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, once again, and we didn't made any profit, but we didn't made any loss too. Okay, so that's why in that condition you can trust this lower, and again try for 4-5 times as you like in demo account, and then when you feel confident, and then you start to trade in real account and see the real result, how much of your trade will go right, you cannot believe yourself. This much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. So my purpose is to make trading simple, not stressful, because I have gone through lots of stress while trading, and I have lots of experience which can help you to make good amount of right trades by decreasing your stress. And if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I will give you a special affiliate link in the description of this video, and with that you will get maximum amount of bonus. Like in at the time of shooting this video, you can get up to 50% bonus, but at the time when you are signing up, you may get 150% bonus. And if you use that link, then it will also help me in some way. So do use that link to create your Pocket Option account. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great trading life ahead. Bye bye.